Good day to everyone, and we will see the simple, just a brief discussion of torque slip characteristics of induction motor. Okay, of induction motor, three-phase induction motor. Okay, so here just I want to tell you that which region is braking region, which region is operating, and which is motoring, and which is the generating. Okay, so let me draw a curve. Okay, so on this axis this is my torque, on this axis it is my slip, or what should I take? Okay, you can take it either as slip or you can take it either as a speed. Okay, so I will take slip. Okay, so now I hope you know what is slip. So slip also we will discuss a little bit. See, slip formula is ns minus nr, where ns is the synchronous speed, ns is the synchronous speed, yes, and nr is the rotor speed divided by ns. Okay, so this is the slip. Okay, so in induction motor we use this the concept of slip. Okay, very much. Okay, and this I will tell you in the principle of the induction motor video someday, but in this video we are only concerned about the torque slip characteristics. So what I want to say is, see, when let us say your motor is at no load here. Okay, or it has the your zero speed. Okay, so when the motor has zero speed, that means your nr is 0 and your slip will come out to be 1. So at this point your slip is 1. Okay, so and your curve moves, induction motor always have some starting torque, and your curve moves like this, and then it decreases in this fashion. Okay, and we say that this is your torque maximum, and this happens at slip maximum. Okay, now one more important thing is, see, in this region this is a motoring, this is motoring. Okay, induction machine is acting like a motor in this region, and here see, this at this region your motor is running at its full load. Okay, that is at its full speed. So at this point your slip will be what? ns minus ns by ns. Okay, so this point never comes. Okay, I hope you know this, and or if you don't know, then you can check out the video of the principle of induction motor, and that video I will explain. So at this point your slip will be what? 0. Okay, let me write it with a red pen only. So at this point your slip will be 0. So that is how your slip. So in motoring region your slip varies from 0 to 1. Okay, now after this motoring region, what happens when, see, at this point your speed is what? The synchronous speed. Okay, now if your speed of the motor increases beyond the synchronous speed, and how can you increase it? Okay, you cannot increase it by applying some electrical power. You have to give some mechanical input to increase the speed from the synchronous speed, because induction motor principle is what? That the motor always rotates a speed less than its synchronous speed. That is the key point of the principle of induction motor. Okay, so that I will explain in video of principle of induction motor, and in that video you can understand if you don't know this concept. So here what we are talking about, the slip and the torque things. Okay, so this is here the induction machine is acting like a motor. That is, you supply electrical power and the motor will rotate. But what happens when the speed increases beyond the synchronous speed? So what will happen? See, if nr is greater than ns, that is what I am saying, then what will happen? Your slip will come out to be negative. Okay, so this happens when your speed of the rotor is greater than the synchronous speed. And see, now what we are doing, we are applying the mechanical input to the induction machine. So what will happen? Now this mechanical input has to be converted to some electrical energy. So here now your induction machine acts like a generator. Okay, so that is the concept. Okay, so we will draw a straight single line to demarcate the boundary. So in this region, the motor was acting like the induction machine was acting like a motor. Okay, and in this region, the induction machine will act like a what? Induction generator. And here, what will happen? That your slip generator, and I have already told you that your slip will be negative, so it will be greater than -1 and less than 0. Okay, so that is the logic. Okay. mm, yeah, so at this point you can say that your speed will be like 2 ns, and here your speed will be ns, and here your speed will be 0. So with green I am writing the speeds. Okay, and I will just change the curve of generator by some other color. Okay, so I hope you understand this. So this is generator, this is motor. Now what happens in this region? See, here the motor is at what? It does not have any speed. Its speed is 0. So what happens when in this region? Okay, so in this region your slip becomes positive. See how? See, here the motor is already at the 0 speed. So what will happen? See, if it is in motoring mode, like it is, if it is rotating in motoring mode in this direction, then in this region the motor will start rotating in the opposite direction, that is in this direction. Okay, so here your NR will become what? Will become negative. Okay, so your slip will become ns minus nr divided by ns. Okay, so your slip will become positive. Okay, and it will also become greater than 1. Okay, so this is the logic in this region. So that is how you analyze this. So let me draw this region thing. So gradually okay, so this is a region. So here you just have to remember S is greater than 1 and this region is breaking. Okay, so that is the whole logic. Okay, so in an induction machine you have to remember this thing that when slip is between 0 and 1, induction machine acts as motor. When slip is between -1 and 0, your induction machine acts like generator, and when the slip is greater than 1, then it is a braking. See here the torque also reduces, that is the starting torque that machine has, it also goes to 0. So that is the braking of the induction motor. Okay, so that is the whole idea of the torque slip characteristics of induction motor. See, this should be always in your mind. This characteristics should always be in your mind, and it will be very helpful in many questions. Okay, so this is all for this video, and please like, share, subscribe Electrical Diaries, and I hope you are liking these things. Okay.